Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, it doesn't matter. And then find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it, so I'll pick maybe this one. Then let's tap on this info icon and tap on edit, so pencil icon. So now we've got something which is called the calling card and the profile picture. I will focus on the profile picture, however I highly recommend changing the calling card also, so you can customize the profile even more and you can add a beautiful background picture to the background. Alright, so to add the photo to a contact, simply tap on this circle here. And now you can either choose the camera or gallery. I do not have anything in the gallery, so let me pick the camera. So thanks to it, we will open the camera app and we will be immediately able to take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. So let me do it. Let me just take a photo of this plant. All right, we've got it. Come back to your place and tap on OK. Now in this step we can change the size of this photo, we can also change the position of this highlighted circle, and thanks to it we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted area is responsible for it. So just position it like you want to and then tap on done and tap on save here. And as you can see, it was immediately applied, so remember to tap on save again. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.